Hi class, good morning. We're going to discuss today about moment distribution. Okay, the method of moment distribution in determining the moments at every joint. So for example, here you have to consider the following beam with a constant value of your uh, this one, modulus of rigidity, which is the moment of inertia, and then uh, elastic modulus. This is the flexural rigidity, and then you have your this continuous beam here is fixed. Take note that this one is fixed, and then this one is hinge or roller. This is roller. Okay, so here also is roller. You have this load. Okay, and then here a point load at 4 meters from the left, and then here you have 50 kilonewton meter uniform load from B to C. Okay, so first things first, we're going to determine the fixed end moment. So the formula of this one, let's say this one is our P, and this is our A is equal to 4, and then of course B is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so the fixed in moment, okay, at the left side, okay, this AB, okay, the fixed moment at AB, we have this formula. Again, this is negative anti-clockwise at the left. Here, it should be positive. So P is 120, this is A, this is B squared, and then this is L squared. L is equal to 10. Then of course you can get this value, okay, negative 172.8 kilonewton meter. Now at BA, here the right side, you have PA squared B over L squared. Now this is positive, okay? So as you can see here, it's like that. Again, this is P, this is A, this is B, this is L. Here is anti-clockwise, and this one is clockwise. That's why it's positive. We substitute the value P, A squared, and then you have B, and then you have L squared. Then we can compute this one. Not to worry about the continuous load because you have the same formula, only that BC here on the left side is minus, and then at the right side is here, because it's like this, it's plus. Formula would still be the same, okay? So you will come up here with a fixed moment of plus 416.7. Okay, then we calculate the distribution factor. Take note that the K, okay, wait, the K here with far end is fixed. Okay, so BA, you have here 4 EI over L. The other one where far end is roller or hinge, K here is 3 EI over L. This is only the difference, okay? Now, let's compute the distribution factor. Okay, the distribution factor for the fixed here is fixed. Distribution factor is 0, while for the pin or roller is equal to 1. Now, if we compute the distribution factor for BA here, okay, DF BA is just equal to, again, this K here, KBA over summation of K. Summation of this K and then this K. That's why you have this value. Okay, KBA. KBA, as I've said, this is 4 EI over L. So 4 EI over L. Over L. And then the summation of K for this one and then this one, you just have to add this and then this. So 4 EI over L plus 3 EI over L. Okay, L EI will cancel. That's why you have, okay, that's the summation here. The total is 7 over 10. Okay, this is 4 over L is 10. It happened that L here and L here are the same. Okay, take note of that one. BA and BC is not always the same. It happened here that this is the same. Okay, so you have the summation of k is 7 over 10. That's why here k here is just like 4ei, okay, over 10, and then here is 7 over 10. Okay, that's why 10 will cancel out. You have this 4 over 7. Okay, so if you have 4 over 7 here and BA, the right side will be 3 over 7. So that the distribution factor here is always equal to 1.0. Take note about it. Okay, so I hope this one is uh, clear to you. Again, DF is just K. For example, this is BA, and then this BA all over summation of K, okay, at joints B. Okay, take note about this formula. Now, once you have your distribution factor, okay, this is what you have to remember. At far end, when it is fixed, this is 4. When it is pinned or roller, this is 3. Okay, so you write the joint. This is for joint A, joint B, and then joint C. And then your member AB going here, and then BA going here. Also your BC, and then CB. We calculated already the distribution factor 0.57 for this BA, and then 0.43 for this BC. That's why 0.57, 0.53 should be equal to 1.0. Distribution factor is 0, okay, when it is fixed here, this is 0, and then distribution factor here is 1. We calculated earlier the fixed moments, negative here, positive here, negative, and then positive. It's time to distribute. How you are going to distribute? This one, multiply by 0 will give you 0. Okay. How about this one? 115.2. Okay. What's that? Okay. This is, if you are going to add this one, okay, you have 115.2 minus 416.7 equals to negative 301. This is negative 301.5. This is negative 301.5. You multiply by 0.57. You have negative 171.86. And then change negative to positive. And then again, negative 301.5 multiplied by 0.43 will give you negative 129.64. Change, okay, negative to positive. That is for the distribution. If you're going to add 171 and 129, that will give you 301.5. Again, how do you calculate 301.5? You simply add positive 415.2 and then negative 416.7 will give you negative 301.5. This one you multiply to 1 will give you 416. You change the sign from positive to negative. And then carry over. This one, carry over here, just 1 half. Okay, do not change the sign. Will give you positive 85.93. Here, carry over, this is 0. And then here, negative 416.7 will become, carry over will become negative. Again, only 1 half. Also here, 129 divide 2 will give you this one. Okay. Distribute this one, multiply by distribution factor, which is 0, will give you 0. Okay. This one, negative 208 and 0.57 will give you negative 118. But then change negative to positive. Similarly here, negative 208.35 and then 0.43 you multiply will give you negative 89.59. Change negative to positive. Here just change, okay, this one multiply to 1 becomes positive 64.82 and then change negative, positive to negative. Again, distribution, and the distribution you change the sign from positive to negative or negative to positive, and then you carry over half of it here, half also here, and then half also here, then the same procedure. This one multiplied by point, the distribution factor 0.57 will give you this one. Negative becomes positive. Also here, okay, negative 32.41 divide point, multiply by 0.43 will give you 13.93 from negative to positive. This one also multiplied by distribution factor, which is 1. Okay, it's the same. Change positive to negative. You sum up this one from fixed moment, or you sum up only from here. Okay, Do not include the distribution factor. Negative 172, 85, 59. Okay, you will get this negative 27.94. So there's moment here, okay? But here, obviously, moment here is 0. Here, you have moment, okay? So that's why when you add this one, all of them will give you 0. And this one, when you add from here again, going down will give you positive 424. The other one will give you negative 424.29. Take note that this should be the same. If there is discrepancy, a little of point something, it's okay. If it's big, there's something wrong with the calculation. Take note that this one should be positive, the other one should be negative. Okay, so that's all for today. This is for the moment distribution. Okay, thank you.